So I finished my course about 5:30, had something to eat in town, came across town by DLR and by tube, and finally checked in about 5-10 minutes ago. I'm absolutely shattered, I'm ready to turn in for the night, but before I do, here's a quick tour of the room. So this is the Moxy London Excel. It's about 5 minutes walk from the Excel Centre in London, and it's part of the Marriott chain of hotels. So you walk in and you straight away have this artwork on the wall, and there's a hairdryer and a bag there, and we go through into the room and there's a pretty cool armchair. There's a decent sized bed. Haven't slept on it yet, so I don't know how comfortable it is. Small work area, I guess you could fit a laptop on there. Pretty decent sized TV. There's the view out over the city. Take a look at the bathroom. Okay, it's a compact bathroom, let's say. Decent sized shower cubicle. There's toiletries there. More toiletries. Plenty of towels. Okay, so it's about 9 o'clock at night and I checked into the Moxy London Excel about 10 minutes ago. I've been up since 5 AM, I've been in a course all day and I am pretty tired, but just a few first impressions of a hotel since I checked in. As you've seen from the room tour, it's a small room, but it cost around £90 for a Saturday night. 5 minutes walk from London Excel, that's a pretty good price. So the room's pretty much the size that I expected. You get a good sized TV, you get free Wi-Fi, the bathroom is small but it looks like it's pretty well fitted out, plenty of towels, toiletries provided. So far I'm quite impressed. The bar area is open 24/7, so if you do check in late like I have, you don't have to worry about whether you can get something to eat or pick up a drink late at night. So yeah. So far I'm pretty impressed with the hotel. Well, I'm pleased to be able to tell you that the bed was really comfy and I did have a really good night's sleep. The next morning I went down to reception and the helpful staff there let me have a look around a freshly made up room so that I can show you what it would have been like if I checked in earlier in the day. As you can see, it's nice and fresh and bright, and you can either stream to the TV from your device or you can actually connect to the internet on the TV itself. And I love that they thought about some of the details that travellers need these days. Not just toiletries and fluffy towels, but USB charging points at the bedside as well. I had to check out pretty early, so I didn't have time to get breakfast at the hotel, but I went downstairs to have a quick look around. It's a very design-led hotel. There's art on the walls, there's pop art cushions on the sofas. So all in all, I really like the Moxy London Excel, and it's a hotel that I would use again if I was going to Excel for an exhibition or trade show. I hope you enjoyed looking around the hotel with me. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.